Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. Finance Hustle is here to help you earn $25 for every 4 minutes by simply watching videos. This unique strategy is free and available worldwide. It pays via PayPal and Bitcoin. It is a perfect side hustle for every regular people who want to earn money while working from home. So stay tuned. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. Let's go to YouTube right now and look for a Plank tutorial. As you can see, there are numerous possibilities. These types of videos have tens of thousands of views. Now, let's look at how we might profit from these videos. The following stage in today's approach is to go to google.com and type in adfoc.us, then hit the search button. Right now, you can see a lot of results, but I want you to select the first one. This is the homepage of the website. On this platform, you may basically lower your share and make money. By reducing some URLs and spreading them on the internet, you can make a lot of money. So, using this video as an example, let's try it out on YouTube. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the share button. I'd like you to click on the share button to see a YouTube link where you may share them on the internet. And everyone who clicks on this link will be directed to the same video. After you've copied the link, go back to adfoc.us and put your URL right here. This website essentially shortens a long URL by converting it into a shorter one. Once someone clicks on the link, you'll make a lot of money. If visitors from the United States click on your link, you can earn over $20. And if visitors from the United Kingdom click on your link, you can earn over $10. This is an excellent opportunity to earn money online by simply sharing a link. Right now, I'll show you how to make a free account on this website. You may sign up right now by clicking on this sign up button, which will open a window with the words join adfoc.us. Simply fill in the relevant information such as your email address and password, then click the I am not a robot box, then agree to the terms and condition box, then join now button. When you log into your account, you'll get the following message. Your account information is incomplete. Please update your account details to receive payment. In order to be paid, you must keep your account up to date. Simply click this account settings link right here when you're ready to cash out your wins. And you'll be directed to this page containing account information. You can make any necessary adjustments to your account's information here. In this box, type your name, city, state, zip code, and country. As you can see, they're all available all over the world, so fill in the spaces as needed. After you finish, simply click here to update your information. This website accepts payment using PayPal, which makes it very easy for you to update your information. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for making money online. The automated withdrawal section can be found by scrolling down below. You can read about how to enable this option to request a payment automatically every month here. And it's vital that you do so right now. Then, after you've enabled the feature, click this update button. As a result, I'm going to show you the payout rates by country right now. You can see this when users from the United States click on your link. You will earn more than $20. And you will earn more than $1 if individuals from Nepal, for example, click on your link. The difference of 19 points is considerable. Let's go back to adfoc.us and paste the link here. After you put the link on this page, click the shrink button, and the website will automatically shorten the link you pasted. I'd like you to do this 5 times more. I'd like you to find 5 videos, copy their links, and put them on the page as short links. The second step is to go to the website forum.bodybuilding.com. This is a well-known website because many people go there to learn about how to lose weight and live a healthy lifestyle. If you scroll down, you'll find a variety of subjects about exercises and how to stay healthy. Many people are posting on this website. You can see how many views each post has here, and many people are monitoring these postings. For example, many of these have had over 10,000 views on our website. When you initially arrive on our page, the first thing I want you to do is click on the symbol right here, which will take you to this page where you can select from a number of countries. Now, I want you to click on the United States because if people from the United States click on your link, you will earn over $20, which is great. For instance, you can click on this post to find out what the current hot topic is and to learn more about it. As you can see, people are leaving video links on this thread. This is a great technique to boost traffic and attract people from all over the world to visit your website. Right now, I'd like to share a planking post template with you so you can have a sense of what to post on these boards. First, I present planking information that you can obtain by searching on Google, as well as links to a planking tutorial video that you may discover by scrolling down below. I recommend that you upload at least 5 videos to gain more money. You can make money by having people click on your links using this method. And that wraps it up. This is exactly how to help you earn $25 for every 4 minutes by simply watching videos. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next video.